Hey, what is going on, guys? Today we're going to be accessing the Mac recovery mode on the latest MacBook Pro, which is a 2019 model. So what we're going to have to do is firstly restart or shut down the computer. In this case, we will shut down. The next step is to hold down Command and R until an Apple logo with a progress bar appears. The recovery will ask you to select a user that you know the password for. So I'll just enter in my password, and to do that you have to just click on the user and press next. You will then be taken to a window which provides you with 4 different options. The first one is restoring from a time machine backup, assuming you already have one prepared. The second one is reinstalling the macOS operating system. The third one is getting help online, which we're going to go into, and it will take you to a rundown version of Safari. And it will provide you with some recovery information. And if you have a Wi-Fi connection, you can access the internet through there. And the fourth option is Disk Utility. This utility will provide you with the opportunity to format your drive if necessary. It will also provide you with all your internal partitions, such as the Macintosh HD and my Windows Bootcamp partition. On the left-hand side, you can click on the Apple and it will give you the opportunity to choose your startup disk. You can only choose the startup disk from your internal drive. You can't boot from external media unless you change the settings because of the T2 security chip. When you click on Utilities, you'll be able to choose from 3 different applications: the Startup Security Utility, the Network Utility, and Terminal. To access the Startup Security Utility, you'll need admin access, so we'll have to just chuck in my password again. From there, it will give you the opportunities of full security, which is the equivalent of like secure boot. Full security means your current OS must be trusted by Apple and requires a network connection at the time the software is installed. Medium security allows any version of any signed OS that's trusted by Apple. And low security, no requirements whatsoever. And this is achieved with the use of the T2 chip. And below, we have allowed boot media, which allows, at this point in time, booting from external or removable media is disallowed because of the T2 chip. Which means external media means USB and Thunderbolt drives. Whereas if you're allowed that, you'll be able to boot from a USB, such as a Windows 8 or 10 install USB flash drive. And of course, up here you have the opportunity to turn on your firmware password. The Terminal application is there for more advanced users if they want to implement certain commands. So there you have it. This is the macOS recovery mode. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it below. Thank you all for watching and see you all in my next video.